What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link for the Discord is in the description below or up on the screen. Today we are going to learn how to play Onipa'a by Keola Tallet. I think it's Tallet, I'm not sure. This was requested by Dakine over from the Discord, so grab ukulele and let's go jam. Okay, let's go over the chords for the song. We're going to play 2 chords the entire song, so it's going to be really easy. The first chord is going to be G minor. We're going to cover this bottom string here on the 1st fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, and then 2nd string 3rd fret. Okay, and then we're also going to play D minor. So we're going to cover the top 2 strings here on the 2nd fret, and then the second string on the 1st fret. Okay, so okay, homies, let's go over the structure of this song, which kind of doesn't really matter because it's the same 2 chords the whole entire song. So all I honestly have written is the intro, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, and then I think that's the chorus outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. So, same chords the entire song, so let's play it through so you can hear it. Oh, I almost turned off the camera. What the fuck? I'm not even in my right mind, man. Okay, let's go. So this intro is like whoa-oh-oh, okay? G minor. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. And if you know somebody who wants to learn how to play the song, go ahead and share it with them. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link to make those is in the description below. That is the link to my Discord. And I will see you guys next week. Okay then.